Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing a Redline Club. It is a custom 72 Datsun 240Z. Now the reason why I'm opening this today is because we had a big collection come in, and I wanted to trade it for some stuff for me, and so I can open it for the channel. And it's numbered out of 20,000, by the way. There's a side note. But I went to show them how good the card was, so I pulled it out of this, right? And I went to pull it out, and it just unpopped. It just popped right off of this. When I had it, it was like this. When I went to show him, and I was like, "Are you kidding me?" So a little pissed off, just a little bit pissed off about it, but it's fine because now I get to open it and show you guys. I got number 8,641 out of 20,000. But yeah, this was part of the selection. So, you know, when Redline Club does this thing where they'll have like 3 or 4 cars, usually it's 3 cars, and then you vote what color, and then that's the car they make, and this was that one. Now, this is from 2018, at least what it says on the back, but yeah, your 2018 selection car is here. Yeah, so I'm going to do some close-ups. It's got a detailed engine, headlights, taillights. Really beautiful car, and I'm kind of excited that I get to open it and see more of it. But yeah, I'm gonna crack it open and then we'll wrap it up. That was the custom 1972 Datsun 240Z from Redline Club. Now, again, super frustrating, it popped off the card. But at the same time, I got to see it in its true beauty. Sometimes the plastic hides some of its gorgeousness, so I got to see that. I'm going to be running a giveaway probably in the next week or so. I'll have more details on that, but I got one of my Super T-Hunts I'm going to be doing as a giveaway. Also, have another big box unboxing. I'm not going to do right away, but it has got some, it'll probably be the best one I've done, because it's got really old Supras, like Honda S2000, that's just beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of my other videos, and keep on collecting.